Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Mama. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another Transformation Tuesday. But before we get into that, remember, like this video, comment below to discuss any of the make. And remember, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can find out every time I upload a video. So the transformation today, we are going to be turning some little charms that I've had hanging around for a little while into some earrings and some necklaces. So let's get on with the make.
First necklace that I'm making is with this pentagram charm. I've got a 24-inch silver snake chain, a 5mm split ring in silver, my trusty jewellery round nose pliers, and I'm going to prise open the split ring with my fingernails, and then I'm going to use the jewellery nose pliers to really get that open. I'm going to attach it to the pentagram charm and then use the pliers to close it back up again. You can use these jump rings, but I find that you just can't close them properly and you don't end up with a very good seal. I've put the chain on and ta-da, that's one necklace made. Next one I'm going to make is with these moon charms. Exactly the same process, open a jump ring, attach it to the charm, close it back up again with the pliers, and then attach the snake chain. Now I'm going to make some earrings with some more of those pentagram charms. I've got some fish hooked style earring hoops. Literally just prise open the bottom hoop on them and attach them to the hook on the pentagram charm. I'm going to do the same thing with these little skull bat charms that I've got and add the hooks onto them in exactly the same way. Now I've got these howlite beads in various different colours. I've got black, white, grey, pink and red. I did have some purple but they disappeared. I've selected a black and a white one and I'm putting them on a flat nose straight pin. You just literally slide them on the pin, curve the top over to make a hook and attach an earring hook, a fish hook to it. Couldn't be simpler. Make another one so you've got a pair. And that's your pair of earrings. I'm doing the same thing here with a red one and a black one. These are smaller, so I've added 3 on instead. Next I'm going to make some earrings with these moon charms in exactly the same way. Now I'm making a choker with this velvet ribbon. Those are little silver hanger beads. Chop the ribbon to the right length, folded the end over, folded it into 3 and sewing the end up so that the charm can't come off. And you push 3 charms onto the velvet, one for the end to attach the lobster claw clip, one in the middle to hang your charm off of, and then one for the other end to hang with the end piece on. The end piece is just that little bit of chain that you use to adjust the length of the choker. You attach all of these things using a silver split ring. I've used the 5mm ones. Making another choker, but this time I'm using the 1cm thickness velvet ribbon. And there we have it, 2 separate chokers. So here's all the different jewellery that I made. We have a set of moon earrings and a moon pendant, a moon choker, a batwing skull choker, batwing skull earrings, 2 different howlite earrings with skulls, pentagram earrings and a pentagram pendant.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that make. It was just a quick little one and you'll find out what I'm going to be doing with all those necklaces and earrings in an upcoming video. It's a bit of a surprise. So remember, if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell and remember people, stay heavy.